Good morning. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and it is about 2:40 in the a.m. on July 9th, 2024. Early Tuesday morning. For me, it's more like my Thursday. It is what it is. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I really wonder about customer service. Because this sure don't seem to be much service to customers. But it's okay. I can choose not to use them, and I won't be. I don't need the headaches. I don't need somebody who's gonna be anal retentive, and it's just not right. I don't need those headaches. So I'm doing away with that company in my life. Bye bye. Good riddance. It's pretty bad when you try to give them some money and they're arguing with you about it. So yeah, is what it is. Anyway, it's okay. I got over to the bank today and got my money in and got some money over on my wife's card and sent another bit of money over to my brokerage account. Yay! Checked and found for my car, my insurance. I can get it about $25 cheaper. I think I'm gonna probably go there. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, it's $25. It's over the next 6 months. Not much, $150, but hey, every little bit helps. So I don't know. We'll see how much of a stress and dealing with things is. It is what it is. So yeah, car insurance. There's you some. Yeah, I really would like to get rid of car insurance completely, or at least get it to where it's not. Yeah, not so expensive. It's terrifying. It's just not right. But hey, it is what it is, and it is definitely a mess. And having to deal with them, yeah, I don't like them. I'll deal with them. Like I say, I tolerate them at best. I don't like them. That's one of those cases where we're forced to do business with a company that knows that we're forced to do business with them and thus has no flying Fruit Loop about giving any kind of a care about whether there is any customer care. Because you're over a barrel, you have to work with someone. And they're totally happy to be the someone. And quite honestly, they're not that good of a company. None of them are. Hey. Needless to say, yeah, I got a little bit of work done there. Got a few things set up to go out the door and into the trash tomorrow. Hopefully it won't rain. It did a little bit of that around here, and I'm hoping the road, the alleyway dries up enough to get back there without causing a mud puddle or mud splatter up under my car, which I don't need the problem. It is what it is. But yeah, I need to get back there and empty out some trash, get rid of things that I don't need, so I can be ready to get rid of some things I do, or get rid of some things I do need to get rid of, but yeah, can make a little bit of money off of. Can't make money off trash. Actual trash, garbage. Yeah. It's been a day. But I was doing a bit of stretching for my lower back and it popped. Oy. Let me tell you, that was an experience. I don't know, I think it actually helped that it popped, but yeah, fun little knife in the lower back on the left side. Woohoo! Yeah, not fun. Felt like somebody stabbed me, literally. I don't suggest anybody go out and get stabbed to see what it feels like. Not good, I can tell you. But yeah, when my back popped, it was like, oh, yeah, not fun. So, but I think it might have helped. It's still a little bit high strung, but hey, it is what it is. And yeah, I'm working on keeping the posture right. You know, shoulders up, not completely up, they're not completely down either, so I'm trying. And I'm doing a little bit of exercise with them to, build them up. So, and when I get done here, I'm going to do my audit, and then I'm going to do a couple laps around the building. Because, hey, I need to be stronger so I can do more things when I get to the Philippines. And yeah, and I think I'm going to try to transfer my phone over to, I'm using Cricket right now on one of my phones. And I think I'm going to try to transfer it over to, I think it's Ultra Mobile. Better deal for me. And I don't know. You got to do something with it. So it is what it is. But yes, everything I can do that cuts down on the cost of my phone is a good thing and saves me money, and that goes toward my stock market, my brokerage account, which makes me a little bit more money. And right now my brokerage account actually broke $1,600. So yay! I'm hoping it just keeps going on. It's adding in a little bit every time one of the dividends comes in, a little bit more added in, and slowly growing. So yay, 1,600. Actually a little over. But yeah, and I'll be putting some more into some dividend drawing stocks now that I got 150 over there. So 1750 plus a little. So plus whatever else that 150 brings in on dividends. So yeah, get those in there. It's not the strongest retirement planning, but hey, it's getting in there, it's growing, and that's good. I actually need to get in there and figure out which ones I want to put them into. And when I get them in there and figure out which ones I want and see how much my average percentage income is, for the year. Last time I checked, it was pulling down a bit more than 12, so 12%. So I'm doing something right. And I even have a couple of them that aren't doing that aren't that big, but Ford's a good company. It pays a dividend. It's not a high percentage dividend, and it's only quarterly, but it is what it is. I might even add a couple to it this time. I'm probably going to try another one of the REITs. I'm not sure. We'll see. It's just one of my thoughts on it. Some of the REITs actually bring in a higher percentage of the dividends, and that's a good thing. But yeah, doing my little bit toward financial planning for retirement. I'm not that good at it, but apparently I'm not that bad at it either. And well, anytime it's growing, that's a good thing. And slowly but surely, it's improving. So, yay. Boy, need to shave again. Starting to get long-haired. Yeah. Although, boy, the salt and pepper silver stuff is coming in, and most of the peppers turning gray instead, gray heading towards silver. The last 2 years have definitely seen some more silver come in. I'm kind of liking that, I guess. It'd be nice to get rid of the salt and pepper and just have it all go silver instantly, but I'm not vain enough to try to bleach it or dye it or anything like that, so yeah, I'll stick with what color it comes in and be happy, because I ain't gonna waste money on something as stupid as trying to dye my hair. Sorry, I'm not that vain. Some women are and want to change the colors. Okay, fine, choices, but for a guy, it's pretty much straight up vanity. And well, I can tell you, I'm never going to be accused of being vain. Maybe a whole way, but not vain. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Like I say, it's a good day. And I actually was listening to man and a wife over there in the Philippines. Forget his name. Forget the name. But yeah, talking about being introverted. I understand. I don't like large crowds. I don't like being public. That's why this is kind of a exercise in becoming more out there with people. Like I said, I'm trying to be more public with folks. I have kind of got used to the idea of being pretty much alone at night and quiet. I'm okay being alone, but I'm not lonely. So, but yeah, I don't like large crowds. And the Philippines is, 40% roughly of Texas area. And basically 40% of Texas area and 4 times the people. Yeah. Pretty crowded over there. So, kind of need to get used to that idea. But yeah, that guy was talking about you know, about having to go to parties with family. Yeah, I don't know. They're upset with him because he didn't show up, but yeah, I don't know. How is it? Yeah, his responsibility to show up at somebody else's thing when he doesn't want to? Uh, yeah, I don't know. I guess it's just part of it. Anyway, my name is William, and this is William's Philippines. Please do, hit the like button and subscribe and make comments. Good, bad, or ugly, I don't care. Comments count. And hit the notification button. Right now, I'm sitting at 114 subscribers. Thank you all. I appreciate you sticking around and, becoming subscribers. Anyway, I'm Fish, and guess what?